Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. I pray that you all had a marvelous Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. It's Mother's Day every day. Anyway, in today's video, we have a delicious charred roasted teriyaki whole chicken spatchcocked. It's my first time spatchcocking a chicken. And then also some teriyaki string beans with red bell pepper. This came out absolutely delicious. I was so nervous to do the spatchcocked chicken, but I did it. So anyway, let's get into the recipe. Here is the green sauce for the recipe, which has green onions, yellow onion, a bunch of cilantro, some parsley, Scotch bonnet pepper, lime juice, a little splash of vinegar. And yeah, I believe that is what's in there. I will have the list of ingredients all in the description box for this green sauce for you. And then here I'm adding some extra flavors to the green sauce because this is what's going to go on the chicken. So I added soy sauce, allspice, some seasoning salt, some black pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning because it has all those herbs in it, which is what I want. And then some ground cinnamon and some yogurt. This is what's going to make my chicken super moist, which it absolutely was. A very moist oven roasted charred chicken, whole chicken. All right. You're going to give that a good mix. Set that to the side. And now we're going to spatchcock this chicken. Okay. And basically what you're doing is you're cutting out the backbone of the chicken. I used scissors just because I found that to be a bit easier. Of course, the video is sped up, so it took longer than what it actually looks like it's taken here. So you just want to cut on both ends to get out that backbone right there. And I'm going to keep practicing this method. I'm going to keep practicing. I ended with a knife because I started having a hard time cutting it with the scissors because baby girl was acting up. All right, and that's what spatchcock is when you split the chicken open like this. And then here I'm just cleaning out the innards and stuff like that. And there goes my spatchcock. And I'm going to trim off the fat. Cleaning my chicken. I have some vinegar. And I'm going to give it a nice lemon juice massage. Let me know if you guys ever spatchcocked a chicken down in the comments. I did see that they were selling spatchcock. I hope I'm saying the right chicken in ShopRite. Costs a lot. I said, oh no, I'm going to have to just do this myself to the best of my ability. Anyways, you're going to give this chicken a very nice massage with the mixture that you have created. All right. And the reason I didn't add all those seasonings into the green sauce is because I'm using the green sauce for other things. All right. Now here in the pot, I'm getting together the sauce for not only the chicken, but the string beans and red bell pepper. You're going to add some onion and minced garlic. Give that a saute. Then you'll add some teriyaki sauce. I believe I'm using Hikoman. Then you're going to add some green sauce to that. Give that a mix. Some lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you have available and or prefer. Some paprika. Red pepper flakes. A little extra water. We're going to thicken this up with potato starch. So you do want to add some water to this. Now, I'm taking out some of this because, like I said, some is for the chicken and the rest is for the string beans. So here I have some string beans. They're already cleaned and some sliced red bell pepper. I'm going to mix that in. And I'm going to actually add some more water to this. Well, I'm going to cover it up first, then add some more water. And then I'm adding in a little bit of potato starch to give it a nice, thick kind of glaze over the string beans and red bell pepper. So good. So good. That glaze just coated it so nicely. It was nice and flavorful. I love teriyaki. So good. This had everything going for it. Sweet, spicy, a little spicy, not too spicy, a little sour, a little salt. So good. I had this in the oven on 450. Is it 450? I believe I had it on for. I'll let you guys know in the description box below because I wanted to have a char as if I was doing it on a grill. That's what I wanted. And so I had it at a higher temperature. And now here I am basting it with the teriyaki sauce that I made on the stove. And then you're going to pop that back into the oven to finish cooking. Again, the recipe will be in the description box below. But look at that. Beautiful. Looks like it was made on a grill. Love it. And then I also made some corn, but I didn't show that. I just seasoned it and popped it in the air fryer, honestly, with a little bit of butter. But look how good that looks. And the meat was so tender. Oh my gosh. I wanted to cut into the meat more for y'all, but I just wanted to eat it. I tasted a little piece of this wing. I said, yeah, let me turn this camera off. It was so good and tender. And that little char actually adds a nice smokiness, almost like a natural smoke flavor that adds to it. And then with the teriyaki and all the flavors from the green sauce, it has that hint of Scotch bonnet pepper in there. Has a little bit of allspice, so it has a nice earthy, warm, vibrant flavor. So good, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below. Have you ever spatchcocked the chicken? Would you try this recipe? Let your girl know. Thank you. God bless you, and peace.